So here's how I animate in Procreate using sprite sheets, which are typically used for video games, but let's get into it. So you find your favorite sprite sheet on whatever site you can find, make sure it's free. You download it. I like these little torches, so I brought them into Procreate. And now you have to remove the background, so you want to tap on it with the selection tool, make sure it's on automatic. But you'll notice you have to play with the threshold to find it where it's just right. I kind of gave up and went with this, but now that I have them removed, I switched over to freehand, and then you just make your selections on freehand, and it's important to do cut and paste so that it puts it on every other layer. So I'll speed it up here so you're not bored with watching me do it, but it kind of gives you the idea. Once you have them all on their own layer, then you need to align all the layers so they overlap each other. This is what creates the animation. Here I'm just selecting them because I need to move them and then also resize them, so I'm doing them all at the same time. But now I can go in here under my canvas settings and I can click on Animation Assistant, and I can adjust how fast they are by your frames per second. Now if I hit play, looks like a cool little flame. Next thing, I'm going to add a background to my animation by tapping on the one I want to be background. Tap on it again. I can hit background, keeps it consistent through the animation. Now you'll see I'm just resizing it. Once I have it done, then I can hit play, and it looks great. So thanks for joining, and subscribe, notifications, all that jazz. Until next time.